Hey everybody, it's Natasha with The Food Factor. You know, sometimes it's hard to find recipes for one or two people, and that is why I love this pork chop for two in the air fryer. Let's get to it. So now we're going to take all of our ingredients and make a dry rub. So we're going to start off with brown sugar, paprika, and I like to use smoked paprika just so it gives a flavor that's real smoky and hickory-like. This is the onion powder. We have our salt, our pepper, our ground mustard. And then after that, you're going to stir all this together. Okay, we have all the ingredients mixed together, and now I'm going to take a little bit of oil and rub it on the pork chops. And then you're going to put this into the dry rub. So you're just going to put it on top and evenly coat it on both sides. And once you finish putting your pork chops in the air fryer, don't forget to wash your hands. It's very important that you wash your hands after handling raw meat. Cook your pork chops at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And remember to flip halfway through. While the pork chops are cooking in the air fryer, I usually make a salad, put vegetables with it. You can even put fruit with it, and you've got a balanced meal. Enjoy!